I would like to talk about a line command, how we can use in AutoCAD, what are the benefit of this, and what are the method for selecting a line command. There are two methods for selecting a line command. By simply clicking on this ribbon area, which where we can see there is a line. By clicking on it, we can also make a line. Another method is by simply type L and enter it. Also, we can make a line command. Why this line is common instead and not have any kinds of inclined direction? Because there is ortho, which is on, which help to make a line straight and crucial when we design a rectangle or square also. If we turn off this, we can make any types of creative things which we want to do. This much for today for line command. I will come later for making a video on pole line command.